I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. We've got some great carts to show you today. These are going to take care of a lot of your back needs and stuff. It's going to be easy for you to move product around. We just want to save you all the extra labor. We're using great casters, great frames. I'm going to start and go all across all three of these. Let's start out first with how these are made. I've got a piece of aluminum billet right here. The aluminum is what we use, and we extrude and fabricate that. We build to fit your needs. This cart over here is a 40 by 48 cart. It is designed to put an aluminum pallet or a wood pallet or a plastic pallet on it. You can stack them up. They're perfect. We've got 6x2 casters on here. They're heavy duty, 800-pound wheels. We have a floor lock brake on the bottom, which you can do, which I'm going to do right now. And that locks it down so the cart does not move, or I can take and step on it and move it. The handle is removable. The handle can be placed in here or used if you need it or not. It's entirely up to you. But just so you're aware of some of the options. That's one of the carts. And again, remember, it's really made for pallets. Over on this side here. Now this cart was designed for narrow aisles. It's designed for an environment where people could be going down an area and maybe hitting the walls or something. That's why we have that rounded edge on the front. We want you to be able to glance off of it so that you don't tear up the walls or whatever, or hurt somebody's ankles or whatever it is. This is more of an ergonomic cart, but it's also a Sherman tank if you look at this thing. It's got channels on the top. It's got 8x2 casters. We're laying 2 of them up on top so you can see them. You've got a drop-in handle. And this comes in several sizes. It's a 36, 48, and 60-inch length. It can be a 20 or 24 width all the way up. So we've got 6 different flavors that you can pick from. It's going to make it work no matter what you need. And if you need something special, call us. We'll make sure you get exactly what you need. Last but not least, this is your standard platform truck. Most people buy a cart like this. I understand the philosophy behind it. It's a square cart. It's easy to load product. It's wider for big product. The handle is also removable, but it also allows you to fold the handle up if you wish to. So it stores on end. That stands up, and you've got this little lever right here that will hook into that handle. You notice something on the bottom of this? This is built to last. You've got integrated tongue and groove decking. This is a male and female decking. So the tongue and groove makes all of these rigid as one big piece of aluminum that's strong. It is a tank.